Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. Task for today's video is create a new file, hello Android APK, and yes, you're on virtual emulator to test your app on. So let's get started. So let's create an activity and navigate through Android Studio. So choose empty activity and click on next. Change my application to the name of your project, and as you change the name, you can see the package name changes in lowercase. Now you'll see example.com, change that to your domain name. Now you can choose a save location of your project from here. Now choose the language Java, because we're gonna be using Java instead of Kotlin. Choose 5.0 Kotlin, 5.0 Lollipop, because it covers 94% of the devices. Click finish and Gradle is building, and some kind of process is going on. After this is done, let's navigate through our application. Click on app and click on Menifest. Menifest is a file which have very sensitive information about your label name, your package name, and all that kind of stuff. And Java has a Java file of your application. Let's know then how can you create your own very first application. Click on resources and click on layout. You will see activity main XML. Minimize all the tabs so that you will have a very big canvas so that you can create your project easily. Click on the text and let's change the text to whatever we want, from hello world to hello Android, or hello Android to subscribe to our channel, so subscribe, or let's say hello Android. But size is too small, so we can change the size by just 50 dps. Now we can see it clearly, but need to change the color. So you can change the color from here, or control the transparency from this tab. Now click on text. From here you can control the coding part. So here you have text equals to hello Android, text color, and the text size. If you do not know the number of it, you can click on this icon and play with colors right here. So let's go and test our application on a real world device or an emulator. If you haven't any emulator, click on Open AVD Manager, and from there create a new virtual device. Click on Pixel 2 having a Play Store icon on that. Click next and install the Pi version of it. I will not show you the downloading process, but because I've already installed it for you guys, so you can rename it from right here and then finish the project and play the virtual machine from right here. If you want to delete or duplicate it, you have these options from here. As you can see, our application emulator is done. Now power on the virtual device from right here. After powering it on, play that coding part to here. So you can press Shift P or click on this icon. After this, as you can see, Gradle build is running. After this process is done in the bottom bar successfully, you'll see this. Congratulations, you have created your first application and tested it on a real device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us, comment down below. See you!